So, kailangan daw po nating maunawaan, understanding life insurance. So, ito po tayo, araw-araw, busy po tayo nagtatrabaho para mabigyan po yung family po natin ng comfort at magandang buhay po. Pero, paano kung may nangyari po sa ating mga breadwinner po nang wala po tayong protection, babalik po sa poverty line po ang ating pamilya. So just think about this. You work hard because you love your family and you have big dreams for them. What will happen to your dreams for them if something will happen to you? So, napakahalaga po na magkaroon po tayo ng life insurance, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw yung breadwinner, inaasahan ng pamilya nyo. In case you can't be there to catch them, you are sure you have a safety net. Ito po yun. So, kailangan tayo, kung tayo po yung breadwinner at inaasahan po ng family natin, napakahalaga po na magkaroon po tayo ng life insurance. Ito po yung patuloy po namin sinasabi sa inyo na kailangan kapag wala ka pang enough savings, at marami ka pang big responsibility, tayong mga breadwinner po is kailangan magkaroon po tayo ng life insurance para just in case na magkaroon po we die too soon, is meron pong insurance, safety net na mag-ano po sa ating pamilya. Meron pong income replacement or income instant money po na matatanggap po yung family po natin just in case po na kunin po tayo ni Lord.